Hey, what's up guys? Minto from Jasmine Software here. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to create your first acupuncture soap note. To do that, we'll first go to your Contacts tab, and then we'll click on your contacts record. Then we'll scroll down to the soap notes section. To create a new soap note, just click on the New Soap Note button. And here we have the soap note in edit mode. You'll be able to fill in all of the fields. The first thing I'm going to do is set the treatment start time. And to do that, I'll just click on the link here. That's going to set the current date and time. But you can always click on the box here to edit the date and time. We can also set the chief complaint and type in knee pain. We can also set the pain level, stress level, the energy level, and you can go through the soap note and fill in all of the fields that that are necessary for this treatment. Once you're done, you'll click the Save button, and that will put you in the soap note detail mode. And in this mode, you'll see a set of buttons up here. The next thing you might want to do is to add in needle points. There's multiple ways of adding needle points. I won't go through all of the ways in this video today. That'll be for a later video. But you can click on this Add Needle Points button for one of the ways. And from here, you can choose right, left, or bilateral. You can choose the meridian, and then click on the point and click Save, and that'll save the needle points to the soap note. You also have the ability to add a drawing. You can click on the Add Drawing button. And in this view, you have freeform, so I can just write in freeform. Or if I want a body, I can add a body and then mark up the image this way. Next, you might want to add in the herbal products that you're prescribing to the patient. To do that, you'll just scroll down to the bottom of the soap note in the herbal plan section, type in the name of the herbal product, and add that to your soap notes. Now, going back up to the top of the soap note, the next thing you might want to do is to add in the Icd-10 codes. You can do that by clicking the Add ICD button. That'll open up a molded dialog. If you type in the description or the code of the Icd-10 code, will pop up. You just choose the correct code. Click Save when you're done. Next, we'll add in the Cpt codes. Click on Add CPT. Type in a description or the code number, select it, and save. And that's how you create your first acupuncture soap note. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.